Hello everyone, basically I need to show you how you install RStudio. We have a workshop face-to-face to bibliometric analysis, the third international training workshop about systematic literature review. So before that the participant must be installed RStudio. Okay, so today I need to show you how you install RStudio. To install RStudio, you must know there is a main 3 steps. The step 1, you must go to download R. There is an R program you must download from this link. I will show you through the internet. After we download and install R, we need to download and install RStudio last version. Okay. After we download and install RStudio, we must get the Bibliometrics library. From the Bibliometrics library, we can find the Biblioshiny. Only you go to click this link, click on this link, and you can see this link in the download of this video from YouTube with a comment. Okay, so you come to this, drag us to this website. The first one, download and install R. Download and install R. So click on it. It take you to the other website to download and install R. So we click. Depend of our operating system, because you know there is an operating system of your laptop. Maybe you have a operating system like I use Windows, Microsoft. Okay, MS Windows. But maybe the others use Mac, maybe the others use Linux. So depend of your operating system, you can select which one you need to download. Okay, from I use Windows, so I click the window and I click to the install R for the first time. Click on this icon. Okay, it take me here, it drag me here. So click download R, the last version 4.2, as I downloaded this. Okay, after I download directly from here, click to install R. I installed R, so no need to reinstall. Okay, after that you come back to the next step, install and download R desktop for Windows. So the same step, I repeat the same step, save yes to download. And while downloaded, you click on it, follow the steps to set up. It is very easy. Everything is default and accept to set up RStudio. It means from these 2 steps, the step 1 download and install R, step 2 download and install RStudio and R. Okay, RStudio and R. So after the download, we set up. While the setup RStudio, the program become like this. This RStudio. We click on it. You see, there is a program of RStudio. Directly you can type a command, library Bibliometrics, to load the library of Bibliometrics. Enter, so we try to load all Bibliometrics library. After that, they say to use Biblioshiny, use this command. Just copy this, or you can write the same. Copy here and paste, become like this. Biblioshiny. after you click Biblioshiny, it loads and you go to the website of Biblioshiny. So you must have internet. And this is a Biblioshiny. I will see you in the workshop and explain for you about how we use Biblioshiny for bibliometric analysis. Thank you very much for your time. I hope to see you face to face at 7 December 2022 from UTM IHIBS level 12 to take and participate from the workshop face to face.